Welcome to Dancebook. This course provides choreography to the song Perfect by Ed Sheeran. This is my partner Valerie and my name is Dimitri. Let's start. The choreography is based on the Vienna Waltz. Let's have a look at the basic step. So the right leg goes forward and the left one backward. And once again, right leg forward, left leg backward. It's a very simple static utility step. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Right leg forward, left leg backward. This step was explained in detail in the course of Vienna Waltz. Now it's just a short reminder. Once again, right leg goes forward, left one backward. Right leg forward, left leg backward. And right forward, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This step will be repeated throughout the record. The legs are slightly bent. We never dance with our legs straight. When we go forward, we start from the heel, while the backward step starts from the toes. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And when we dance in a pair of two, we start at a different time. I'm going to start with my right leg forward, while she, left leg backward. This way our steps will stay in tune. I start with right leg, she starts with left one, and the other way round. And remember to take your steps within your reach, inside the circle of your two. Not outside. And now choreography. It starts from the girl standing in the center of the room. We will show everything from the rear. There is the audience. My partner stands her back to me. I come to her. I start from my left leg. 1, 2. I take 2 steps. Left leg, right leg. On 3, 4, I grab her hand. She should keep this arm not very close to her body, so that I can take it. Once again, 1, 2, 3, I grab her arm. 4. Next, I move away starting with my left leg. I take 3 steps. Left, right, left. And I take this position. I put my weight on the left leg is bent, right leg is straight, and such is the position. My partner will approach me, her front to me. 1, 2, 3. And now I go backward, and my partner turns around to the left, starts from her left leg. 1, 2, 3. Look, she turns like this, left leg, right, left, and she keeps her legs together. That was just preparation, so let's do it again. Left leg, right one, left one. We should stand very close to each other. She stands on her toes. Now we take the last step together. I hold her waist this way. Her right hand is on my shoulder, left hand is by my left hip. And we bend down together, like this. Hold her firmly and go back to the vertical position. Once again, my weight on my left leg, I hold her firmly, then I put my weight to the right leg and back to the vertical position. Let's try again everything that we've showed so far. The lyrics goes like, I found a girl. With I found a girl, grab her arm. And then the lyric goes on and we turn around. Next, 5, 6, 7, 8, that is the position. Then, my partner walks around me from the rear. She makes a round. The circle might be quite big, but it doesn't have to be. That's your choice. If you are advanced, she can make a full circle. If you are beginners, she may just take a step backward without making this circle. Now I stand still and the partner walks around. Right leg, right leg. And I give her my left hand, this way. It's like she make kinda zigzag at the back. Let's show it once again. My partner makes this zigzag and her last step is taken with her left leg. All in all, she has to make 4 steps now. Round, first step with her right leg, the second one with the left one, right leg, and she puts her left leg to the left side. She gives me the left hand, not the right one. Thanks, Valerie. Look, we hold our left hands, I stand on my left leg. And then she starts from her right leg and turns around to the right under my left arm, and I put her arm on the back of my neck. And then there is position. Starting from our right leg, we bend backward. The right leg is bent, the left one is straight. She stands like that. Right leg is bent, left one straight. And I stand alike, facing her, and I don't bend backwards. My body remains straight. Once again, from the very beginning. I found a girl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look at me standing on the right leg, prepared to the next move. And 7, 8. She walks around me. 1, 2, 3, 4. I give her my hand. 6, 7, 8. I stand still, waiting for her, and we take this position together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn around. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the gesture. And one more time, to be consistent, to be clear. I found a girl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look, her belly is close to me. I make her bend, and her belly clings to my body. And then I hold her standing. I hold her with my left arm also, and she bends backward. And we go on. 1, 2, 3, 4. I give her my hand. 5, 6, 7, 8. And we here, at the backward position.